I would say 85 to 90% of our coursework is hands-on. A kid is going to walk in let's say my plant science, and we're going to be in the greenhouse. So we have a class greenhouse, and we might have some hydroponic systems where that student has to adapt and learn the ratios of hydroponic fertilizer and actually make it work properly so that we get a good product out of that system. So in the end, what's fun about our stuff that we grow here is everything we're doing right now, all of our food we're growing, we harvest every week, usually about 70 heads of lettuce out of our NFT, and then the kids deliver it to the food shelf, every single head. And so we are a full circle kind of a place. We're trying to teach you how to grow it, what it is that you have to do to make sure that it grows properly if there's problems, how to harvest it safely, and then we get to see it go directly to the best possible beneficiary in our community.